Hey guys, I'm Robert, one of Venom's authorized dealers and the owner of Adventure EV. Today we're going to talk about how to take care of your new Venom cart.
And he's basically the golf cart whisperer.
I'll take it. All right, let's start with your battery. It's basically the heart of your cart. Always make sure your terminals are nice and clean and tight, and never run the battery below 20%. You can stress the lithium packs and void your warranty.
Yeah, don't be that person who lets it die mid-ride. It's a golf cart, not a surprise party.
Exactly. Charge your battery regularly and store it in a dry place. A happy battery will last you a lot longer. All right, let's say you're going out of town for an extended period of time. Just charge your cart up to 100% and turn off the battery. Onto the tires. Make sure your tires pressure is adjusted properly. Underinflated tires can wear out quicker and mess with your ride quality. I'll reach out to your local dealer for recommendations. All Venom carts come with adjustable regenerative braking. Helps slow down the cart and extends the life of your pads.
If you feel like you're stopping with your hopes and your dreams and not your actual brakes, better get them checked.
Yes, you should get your brakes checked at least once a year and more often if you ride hard. Storage and maintenance. Remember, if you take it to the beach or get stuck in the rain, make sure you wipe off your cart. Salt and moisture are not your friend.
Unless it's margarita salt, then invite us.
When you're storing your EV, consider covering it. Protects it from UV, dust, and grime. At the end of the day, Venom EVs are low-maintenance vehicles, but if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local dealer.
Take care of your cart and it'll take care of you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you'd like to see us feature in the future.